Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to stream on YouTube with OBS Studio. Alright, so let's begin. Start by opening OBS Studio. If you haven't installed it yet, you can download it for free from its official website. Once OBS is open, click Settings on the right side of the screen. From the left menu, select Stream. Under Service, choose YouTube RTMPS. You'll see two connection options: Connect Account, which is the recommended method, or use Stream Key. If you're streaming on YouTube for the first time, you'll need to request live streaming access. Open your YouTube channel, click Go Live and follow the prompts. YouTube typically takes up to 24 hours to approve new live streaming access. Once your account is approved, return to OBS, click Connect Account, sign into your YouTube channel and authorize OBS. After connecting, make sure Ignore Streaming Service Settings Recommendations is checked, then click OK. OBS will display your YouTube live chat in a separate window, which you can move anywhere on your screen. Next, go to Manage Broadcast from here and then click Create a new broadcast. Enter your stream title and description, add any useful links, choose the appropriate privacy setting and category, upload a custom thumbnail and leave the latency set to normal for the best quality. When everything is ready, click Create Broadcast. This prepares your stream without starting it immediately. To verify your broadcast, open YouTube Studio, go to Content, select Live and click View in Live Control Room. You should see your broadcast details there. Now, return to Settings in OBS and open the Video tab. A resolution of 1920 by 1080 at 60 fps is a common recommendation. Then open the Output tab and choose either X264 or a hardware encoder depending on your computer. Set rate control to CBR, then enter your bit rate. To determine the right bit rate, run an internet speed test using speedtest.net. Take your upload speed, divide it in half and use that value as your bitrate in OBS. You can then adjust other settings such as the keyframe interval and profile if needed. Click OK to save your changes. Everything is now ready. Click Start Streaming in OBS, then confirm that your stream is live in YouTube Studio. Your live stream is now running on YouTube through OBS Studio, and that's it. This is how you can stream on YouTube with OBS Studio. That's all for this video. See you in the next one. Thanks.